Cyclones, nature's calamity. A cyclone is a meteorological phenomena that is characterized by a low pressure system at its center, strong winds, and heavy rainfall. Cyclones are caused by atmospheric disturbances that result in swift and destructive air circulation. Cyclones rotate anti-clockwise in the northern hemisphere and clockwise in the southern hemisphere. Formation of cyclones. The process of cyclone formation and intensification is called cyclogenesis. When it comes to the formation or strengthening of a cyclone, cyclogenesis plays a crucial role. It is an umbrella term to identify several different processes that result in a cyclone. Tropical cyclones are formed over warm ocean water near the equator. Warm moist air near the surface of the ocean rises upwards, which creates a low pressure area near the surface. The low pressure area results in the movement of cooler air from surrounding areas into the low pressure area. Now, even this cool air becomes warm and moist and rises up. The above cycle keeps continuing. The warm moist air which rises up cools the water in the air, resulting in the formation of clouds. This whole system of clouds and winds spins and grows. Interestingly, this entire cycle continues, resulting in a cyclone. Different regions, different names. Cyclones are addressed by different names in different locations. They are known as typhoons in the China Sea and the Pacific Ocean, hurricanes in the West Indian Islands in the Caribbean Sea and the Atlantic Ocean, tornadoes in the Guinea lands of West Africa and southern USA, willy willies in the northwestern Australia, and tropical cyclones in the Indian Ocean. When the winds reach a speed of 63 miles per hour, it is called a tropical storm. And when it reaches a speed of 119 kilometers per hour, it is called a tropical cyclone. Each cyclone has a name as well. For the cyclones originating in the Indian Ocean region, 8 countries contributed a set of names which are assigned sequentially whenever a cyclonic storm develops. These 8 countries are Bangladesh, India, Maldives, Myanmar, Oman, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, and Thailand. These names of cyclones are maintained and updated by an international committee of the World Meteorological Organization, WMO. Cyclones in India. Tropical cyclones develop in the region between the tropics of Capricorn and Cancer. These are violent storms that originate over oceans in tropical areas and move over to the coastal areas, bringing about large-scale destruction caused by violent winds, very heavy rainfall, and storm surges. Tropical cyclones are one of the most devastating natural calamities in the world. In India, these cyclones originate over the Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea, and the Indian Ocean. They have very high wind velocity and heavy rainfall and hit the Indian coastal states of Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, West Bengal, Odisha, and Gujarat. These 5 states are more vulnerable to cyclones than rest of India. On an average, about 5 to 6 tropical cyclones form in the Bay of Bengal every year. Most of the severe cyclones of the Bay of Bengal form during the post-monsoon season in the months of October and November. These tropical cyclones often have devastating effects on coastal and inland areas. Physical damage. Strong winds, high-speed winds can cause significant damage to buildings, trees, and infrastructure. Heavy rainfall. Intense rainfall can lead to flooding, landslides, and erosion. Storm surge. A rise in sea level caused by strong winds can inundate coastal areas, causing widespread destruction. Human impact. Loss of life. Strong winds, floods, and storm surges can tragically lead to loss of human life. Displacement and homelessness. Many people may be displaced from their homes due to damage and flooding. Economic loss. Cyclones can cause significant economic damage affecting industries like agriculture, tourism, and fishing. Health risks. Flooding can lead to waterborne diseases and damaged infrastructure can hinder access to healthcare. To mitigate the impact of cyclones, it is crucial to have effective early warning systems, robust infrastructure, and well-planned evacuation procedures. Additionally, community awareness and preparedness can significantly reduce the loss of life and property. Major cyclones that hit India in the last few years are Cyclone Dana in 2024, Biparjoy 2023, Amphan 2020, Fani in 2019, Phylline in 2013, etc.